Begin configuring your Facebook feed from the content menu by selecting the Facebook tile. In the next window, you'll see a preview in the top left where you can see the current feed configuration. Since Facebook requires a connection to your Facebook business page data, you must sign in to continue configuring the feed. Set a custom name for the feed on the right. Then click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. Click the Add or Refresh Facebook button. This opens a pop-up window that leverages Facebook authentication. Enter your Facebook or Meta credentials that have administrative access to your Facebook business page. Since this authentication is provided by Facebook, it includes any two-factor authentication you may have set up. Continue through the authentication prompt. This installs an application on your Facebook account. Click the checkbox next to the account you want to include in the feed. Choose your style from the preset style buttons, or further customize by choosing the custom style button. Available style customizations are some preset fonts, background patterns, solid, dots, shapes, confetti, and sprinkles, text background, and accent colors. Select the number of posts you wish to display at one time from the content layout dropdown. Set a call to action. This will appear in a banner at the bottom of the feed. Set intro text. Scope the post shown by setting a limit on historic posts and limiting the number of items in the feed. Set content preferences. Toggle to hide reactions, posting time, videos, text, post without media, and enable or disable animations. Set the duration for each content grid. The default is 10 seconds. Choose an intro style, background, and message. Set the delivery method. Available methods are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, JSON, and XML data. Click the Create Feed button to create your feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that Screenfeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.